All right, y'all, we have the flat 4 or a boxer engine. I know a lot of y'all gonna get on me about calling it a boxer engine because the crankshafts are not opposite of each other's 90 degrees behind the other one. So one's facing this direction and one's facing up instead of one facing this direction and one facing that direction. But this is my boxer engine, so I'm gonna call it a boxer engine. And this thing is very simple. As you can see the sliding valves right here. This is my first 3D printed flat 4 ever. Still gotta modify some things, but I went to run it first before I started modifying. No exhaust, no engine stand. I did add the piston rings to this version, so this thing has a pretty good seal. You can probably hear the compression. Hold on. Has a pretty good amount of friction right now. Well, to get it to rotate, it does, but once it's moving, it's pretty good. You don't really feel it that much, but this thing has a pretty good seal, and I know it's gonna be loud because the gases are just gonna be coming, or the compressed air is just gonna be coming from here, straight out of here, no exhaust. So let's put this thing on the air compressor and see how it runs. Oh yeah, and as a size comparison, this is it compared to the V8 engine. This one does have a 30mm bore and a 25mm stroke. This one has I think a 26.5 bore and a 22.5 stroke. So this is how it looks, the flat engine. Let's hook it up. All right, y'all, here we go. The very first run. Oh. The gear just came off. All right, second run. This thing is very sensitive.